heart exam on you today. So first of all, I'm just going to look and see if I can see any pulsations, which I don't, that's good. Looking at the apex to see if I can see that pulsation. Looking at the nails, looking for any cyanosis, clubbing of the fingers, there's none. And then looking at the lips to see if there's cyanosis, and there is none, so that's good. Next I'm going to palpate. So first of all, before that, I'm going to have you turn your head that way. Just looking for jugular pulse. There. Alright, and then just measuring to the point that I see it. And looks like about 1 centimeter, so that's good. Normal. Okay, so now I'm going to palpate. So first of all, just using like knife edge contact, checking for heaves. And then fingertip tips, checking the thrills. And feeling for the apical pulse. Feel that. Alright, so next I'm going to percuss. So just move it here to the side. Just going in between the ribs, trying to find the sign of the heart. And next auscultation, so I'm just going to have you sit up. And listening to 5 different spots on the heart. First of all, with the diaphragm. Alright, and then I'm going to be listening to the valves with the bell. And that all sounds good, so I'm just going to have you take a deep breath in and hold it. Sounds good, you can let it out. I'm going to have you breathe all the way out and hold it. Sounds good, and you can breathe again. I'm going to have you do the same thing one more time. Sounds good. And then I'm just going to have you bear down.